Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the script recording and playback features of the program. Scripts in TwistedBrush Pro Studio are a recorded series of actions that can be played back either to recreate an entire image, or to perform a series of actions you want to repeat more than once on existing images. A recorded script can be played back either in the script player, as batch processing, a solution, or with the script brush. Scripts are always recorded with the script recorder dialog or with the script brush. The script recorder is accessed from the script recorder item of the record menu. 4 basic types of scripts can be recorded: scene, solution, brush, and stroke. The scene button is used to record a new full image recording. This includes strokes, shapes, filters, etc. First, you must enter the script name. This will also be the file name for the script. An optional description can be entered here. This will appear on the script player panel when the script name is selected. When this mode of recording is started, your current page contents will be cleared. The message button will display a dialog where a message can be entered that will pop up during playback. We will try to record a short script consisting of a few strokes and a filter. Enter the stop button when you are finished. Now we will use the script player to reproduce the script that we have just recorded. Select the script player item from the record menu to show the script player panel. The list of available scripts are shown here. When you select a script, the description, if available, is shown here. The play button is the normal way to play back a script on the currently loaded image. Let's select our script from the list and play it with the play button. We reproduce the same image. Note that when reproducing a script through the script player, the undo and redo buttons are also active. You can go back and forth one step at a time with them and change something if needed. Scripts can be played back at different speeds. This can be set prior to the start of the script as well as during playback. With this slider, it is also possible to pause a script. This is useful when stepping through the script one command at a time with the step button. The step button will execute one command from the paused script. The skip button will skip the next command in the paused script. The Run to Filter button will execute the script until the next filter is encountered. The Batch button will launch the batch processing dialog to apply the script to multiple image files. We will review this option in another video. The Repeat button will play the script endlessly until the Stop button is pressed. The AVI button will play back and export a script file to a video file that you can share with others. The stop button ends the execution of the running script. The pause button pauses a running script. The resume button resumes the execution of a pause script. These three buttons are used to manage the list of scripts. The delete button will delete the selected script. The export button allows saving the selected script to a different location in the file system. The import button is used to pull a script from a different location in the default script list. One example of this is to import a script from the solutions folder so that it can be played back from the script player. The solution button is used when recording scripts that will be used as a solution. A solution recording is different from the other modes because all recorded actions when played back will be proportional. This means that actions during playback will be scaled depending on the size of the page that is currently loaded. This option is also valid for scripts that will be played back in batch processing. For example, with this option we can record a sequence of filters. Then, using the script player we can apply the same filters to a different image. Or we can resize or crop images, and a lot of other actions. The brush button will record paint strokes with the current brush. When played back, the brush active at the time of the recording will be used. This option is also valid for scripts that will be played back in batch processing. The stroke button will record paint strokes and not record the current brush. When played back, the recorded stroke will play back with the brush that is currently active and will reproduce only the strokes. If you need to reproduce the exact brush, first you must select it. This option is also valid for scripts that will be played back in batch processing.